Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to VAUCH Infotech, and I'm here to demo a new code vouch registration process that is very simple and one-click process. So for that, you have to go to codevouch.vouchinfotech.com, then choose a register option, then enter the details. First, your name or a firm name which you want to register with us. So I'm entering VAUCH Infotech. And the email ID, make sure that this email ID should be validated with code vouch registration process, and your login ID will be the email ID. So make sure that you mention the correct, very correct email ID. Then mobile numbers, you can enter multiple mobile numbers also. For password and confirm password, make sure that it is at least of 5 characters. Choose the registration option. Then you will get the message that registration complete. Please verify your account using verification link sent to your email. So just go to your email. Here is the link. So code vouch activation link will be the subject. Open it and just hit activate. So it will activate you. Great, your activation is successful. Now please sign in. So I'm choosing the sign in option from the different window where I have registered. So go to sign in, then put your email ID that you have mentioned in the registration process, then the password that you have chosen. Just hit sign in button. So here is your new dashboard. So you have 3 products enrolled already. So we have 3 products enrolled and the patches of those products: .NET API 2 with HTML, then .NET API 2 with Angular, then MySQL, PHP, HTML jQuery. This is the new feature and a new product we have launched, and this is absolutely free for first 30 hits, you can say. So you have consumed the 0 of 30 hits. So this is the simple registration process, guys. Please follow the same for registering the code vouch, and this email ID and password will be used for validating code vouch also. That is a code vouch 3.0. Stay tuned.